What's good, people? My name is J Rock. I'm from the Platinum Group Big Brothers, and this is my beautiful wife, Sasho. And we're about to do a mazza here. What are we about to do over here?
Okay, so basically, he believes that he is Tupac's biggest fan.
Yup.
That's what he believes. And he also believes that he knows everything about the Tupac murder case that is about to go to trial. So I'm going to give him a little quiz and see if he knows everything about everything.
Absolutely everything.
Well, you say that, but let's see. Let's see about it.
Come we look now.
First of all, why have you got your iPad?
Because I like to have my hands
No, that's answers. Put
on
it down.
technology.
Don't cheat. There's no cheating. What?
I like to have my hands on technology, baby.
Is that what you call it?
Knowledge.
Is that the name for it now?
Yeah.
Right, so I'm going to ask you some questions, yeah? We're going to start off nice and easy. And I'm going to make a note of which ones you get right and which ones you don't get right.
For sure, let's do it. Yeah.
So let's start off nice and easy, yeah?
Okay.
In what city was Tupac shot?
In Las Vegas.
Okay, correct. Oh, it's going to get
That was
harder.
an easy
Yeah,
one.
yeah, we're starting off easy.
Okay.
On what date was Tupac shot?
It was September, I want to say the 13th.
Is that your final answer?
1996. It was in September 1996.
September
I don't
the
know.
what?
13th?
No.
7.
Yes.
Nope. Yeah.
September the 7th, 1996. How many days after the shooting did Tupac die?
7. 7 day theory.
No.
It was 7 days.
It was 6 days.
Let's call it 7 because...
He died on the 13th.
Yeah.
Yeah. And he was shot on the 7th.
But it was the 7 day theory. So on that day is when the helicopters came and took him away. No, I'm joking. No, he passed away. So, yeah, 6 days. Let's say 6.
All right, 6 days.
But it's the 7 day theory. That's why the album is called the 7 day theory.
But
because
it isn't 7 days, it was 6
no,
days.
it was 6.
Okay,
yeah.
right. What event had Tupac attended before the shooting? Stop reading!
No, I'm not reading it.
You're such a cheater. What
reading.
event did Tupac attend before the shooting?
The Mike Tyson fight against Bruce Seldon.
Okay.
Mike Tyson threw 50 blows, 50 blows. That's what Tupac was saying. Did you see how many... He threw 50 blows. He was tripping.
Oh, okay. What record label was Tupac signed to at the time of his death?
He was signed to Death Row.
Okay.
West Side!
Right. Who was driving the car that Tupac was riding in when he got shot?
Suge Knight was driving.
Okay. Bonus points for Suge Knight's real name.
Marion Suge Knight.
Okay, good. What type of vehicle were they driving in?
In a Mercedes.
Mercedes?
He was driving in a BMW. I can't remember the model of the BMW though. It was a BMW. I can't remember.
Can you describe it?
It was black and it had some
Was it
rims. It was pretty big. Giggity.
Okay, it was a 750i.
750i? Yeah.
Okay.
BMW.
At which Las Vegas intersection did the shooting occur?
Koval and... I've been there as well. Koval and... I forgot the other intersection.
Flamingo Road.
Flamingo, there you go.
Right.
It's popular because there's lots of casinos there that the old mobsters created back in the days. So.
Oh, okay. Good. How many times was he struck by bullets? Tupac, that is.
On that particular night?
Mm-hmm.
I know when he was shot in New York, he was shot 5 times apparently. Now people say it wasn't 5, but whatever. On that night in particular, I'm going to say 5. Nope. 4.
Lucky. Giving him an extra shot there.
Yeah.
Which gang has been associated with the investigation?
The Southside Crips. Southside Compton Crips.
Perfect.
Yeah.
What casino did Tupac leave shortly before the shooting?
It was the MGM Grand.
Okay. Who was arrested in 2023 and charged in connection with his murder?
Dwayne Keefe D. Davis.
Before his arrest, what was Keefe D best known for in relation to the case?
He's the uncle of Orlando Anderson. He was the Southside Crip boss.
Okay. He also wrote a memoir.
Oh, he wrote a book, yeah. What was it called? Something about a Compton legend or something.
So what are your thoughts, just digressing a bit on Keefe D when it comes to this case?
As an old man who wants to be in the limelight, I think he did a lot of talking that he shouldn't have done. Whether factual or not, he was putting all of the blame on people who had passed away.
Okay. Which East Coast rappers murdered occurred about 6 months after Tupac's?
Biggie Smalls.
Okay, what's your theory on that?
I think the Southside Compton Crips killed Biggie Smalls because they didn't get the bounty, the $1 million for killing Tupac.
So you believe the Southside Compton Crips were given a bounty to say, look, if you kill Tupac, we'll give you some money. They killed him, they didn't get the money, so that's why they killed Biggie.
Yeah.
So who do you think orchestrated this?
I think it was orchestrated by Keefy D, the killing of Biggie Smalls, definitely. Right. Or it was orchestrated by Death Row themselves. One of the two.
Why would Death Row do that?
They both have incentive to go in at Puffy at the time. Like with Suge Knight and Puffy's history, there's more than just Tupac and Biggie, you understand? Puffy and Suge Knight would have always had a funny rivalry because of their position in at being record label bosses. But like how it went was they sent their soldiers out there.
Okay. So for approximately how many years did the murder remain unsolved before charges were filed?
It was over 25 years, but as I say, now it's nearly 30 years since the murder of Tupac.
So what's your number?
Whew, I'm going to guess to say 27.
Correct.
Oh, wow.
Well done. That was good. True or false? Tupac died at the scene of the shooting.
No, he died in hospital.
True or false? Suge Knight was seriously wounded in the shooting.
He was wounded, but I wouldn't say seriously. He was grazed in the head, and I believe it was not by bullets, it was by flying glass. So he had some scratches, but it's not like
So
he could say, I got a bullet
false.
in the head. I'm saying false on that.
He didn't. That's correct. No one was charged with Tupac's murder until 2023. True or false?
True.
The shooting happened immediately after the Tyson fight.
Not immediately,
Is it true or false?
Happened on the day, but it wasn't like after the fight, man pulled his gun. It wasn't like that. There was some hours in between.
So are you saying true or false?
False.
Correct. What was the name of the music video Tupac had been filming in the days leading up to his trip to Las Vegas?
I ain't mad at you.
Correct. What alias was Tupac recording under the final months of his life?
Machiavelli.
Absolutely. Which album was Tupac working on that never got completed because he died?
Again, probably Machiavelli, no?
Nope.
He was working on an album before he died. He was working on so many things. No. He was working on a film. Yeah.
I said which album?
I don't know. I'm sorry.
Is that a pass?
Pass.
One Nation.
One Nation. Yeah, I heard about it.
Okay.
Again, that's the one that had Buckshot on there. There was Tretch and them. There was a few people from Boot Camp on there. So that was getting ready to be a heavyweight album. I was waiting on it, and he passed away.
What item of jewellery is often mentioned as the motive behind the confrontation?
Oh, it was because someone got their death row chain peeled. Got taken, and like, man said to Tupac, there you go right there. Tupac just said, oh, okay, and ran at him. Yeah.
Okay. Which hotel was Tupac staying at during his trip to Las Vegas?
I should know this because he left his girlfriend there and one of his cousins.
Who was his girlfriend?
Kidada Jones. He was going out with Quincy Jones's daughter at the time.
Oh, okay.
So when that was cracking off, they was going 662. She wanted to come. He was like, nah, it's drama. So she stayed with Tupac's girl cousin in the hotel while Suge and Tupac went out.
It would be interesting to hear from her, I think.
That's what I was going to say. It would be good if Kidada took the stand as well. Not that she was at the fight, but she might be able to tell us the mood he was in when he got in the hotel and was changing to get ready to go to the club. Because he might have been like, look, I just got it on with a gang member.
He might have said something, yeah.
I don't feel like going to the club, but these men are like, you got to go, so I don't want you to... Like, even that kind of information is relevant.
No, of course. How many shell casings were reportedly recovered from the crime scene?
If he was hit 4 times, I'm just guessing here. 4.
4? % success rate?
No, maybe 6. Maybe 6 or 7 shots.
10.
10 shots went off and he was
10
hit 4 times.
9mm shell casings were found.
Oh, wow. Crazy.
So,
I suppose, yeah, depending on how the shooting happened, if they were driving, because they've already identified Park, because apparently he was out the sunroof or out the window, so they've identified him. If they're driving up, someone's passed the gun around to the back seat and they're letting off shots, yeah? I'm just guessing, yeah, you can't be too steady. So, like, depending on how it went, 10 shots, it's pretty good, aim-wise.
Oh, okay.
You get what I'm saying? Because both targets potentially are moving, both vehicles, you know what I mean?
Which death row executive accompanied Tupac's entourage in Vegas that weekend?
Suge Knight.
Nope.
Because these are all people that should be called up, I believe, to the stand when the trial happens.
In my head, yeah, it's an ex-police officer. His name is Reggie Wright Jr.
Correct. Well done. What do we know about Reggie Wright Jr.?
Reggie Wright Jr. was like an ex-police officer with the maybe Compton Police or LA District Police. And his dad was a police officer as well, Reggie Wright Sr. And I don't know how, but Reggie Wright Sr. was like a senior member of the Compton police force, gang unit and everything else. And then Reggie started working with Suge Knight. So I don't know how that worked out, but I believe Reggie's a little bit...
Ah, okay.
Can pay him off and things will happen. Yeah.
Right. So you'd want to hear from him as well in the trial?
Absolutely. But I feel like after all these years of people protecting themselves and just keeping it cold in the streets, he's going to just gas in it. He's going to put a lot on Suge Knight. Suge Knight is going to put a lot on him. And it's going to like muddy the waters of the actual trial.
Okay. What was the approximate local time when the shooting occurred?
11:15.
Correct. Which hospital procedure did Tupac undergo in the days after the shooting?
I think they put him in a medically induced coma
He had
to
some
stabilize.
surgery. What surgery did he have?
He would have had tons of surgery because, like, to remove the bullets, he would have had surgery on his hand because one of his fingers got blown off. He would have had surgery on his lung because I think one of his lungs was punctured.
And what surgery was that? What did they do to his lung?
Repaired it. No, I don't know. I don't know.
No, they tried to remove it.
They tried to remove the lung.
Because you know you can live with one lung.
Yeah.
So they tried to remove his lung. That was the last bit of surgery they did before he passed away. Which member of Tupac's family was reportedly at his bedside when he died?
His mom.
Her name?
Afeni Shakur. So I'm J-Rock. She's Sashel. I'll be giving you up-to-date news about the Tupac trial, what's going on as and when it happens. I'll be giving you some of my opinion, but of course I'll be bringing all of the facts as they come out of the court.
Make sure you tune in.